Find or read reviews that people are talking about. AUTOONE H11 LED headlight bulbs 2023 upgraded, 22,000 lumens 6500K white H9 H8 low beam high beam headlights bulb replacement, pack of 2. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose AUTOONE H11 LED headlight bulbs 2023 upgraded. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 1:1 perfect beam pattern. Precisely mimics the light position of factory halogen bulbs filament. AUTOONE H11 LED headlight bulbs will provide optimal light shape and super focused beam pattern for clearer visibility without dark spots or glare, ensures absolute safety. High compatibility for 99% vehicles. Built-in intelligent IC driver, the H11 LED bulbs are CANBUS for 99% of vehicles without error or radio interference. For very few sensitive vehicles you may still need extra decoders, please get in touch with AUTOONE for that directly. 600% brighter than halogen bulbs. Capable of outputting 22,000 lumens of brightness, 6,500K xenon white light. Those H11 headlight bulbs will incredibly increase the side and peripheral visibility in the rural, forested area. Make you react in time system which helps the H11 LED headlight running cooler, ensure stable working and lasting longer. No frequent replacement. 10 minutes easy installation. All-in-one compact size as halogen bulbs, 20% smaller than other similar LED H11. AUTOONE H11 LED headlight will right into the factory sockets without additional modification. Simply plug and play. Plus 50,000 hours durable lifespan. Well-built premium whole aluminum body, 12,000 RPM high-speed cooling fan and inner copper baseboard form a three-dimensional cooling system which helps the H11 LED headlight running cooler. Ensure stable working and lasting longer. No frequent replacement. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.